In modern manufacturing, demand is rising, and expectations for quality and efficiency are higher than ever. To stay competitive, companies are turning to smart, scalable automation that supports their teams and strengthens their production. For manufacturers like LHM, staying ahead means finding ways to do more without overloading the team. That's where automation becomes a partner, not a replacement.
I think that combining RiACT and the software that we're providing with Dobot and the hardware, you get the best combination that you can have for the money.
This is the story of a partnership between three innovative companies: Dobot, a leading robotics creator; RiACT, a Danish software innovator; and LHM, a global supplier in the metal industry.
So my name is Magnus Ritzau. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of RiACT Robotics. And what we're doing in RiACT is creating software for industrial robots. We're creating a universal operating system that allows to control and configure any robot the same way. Dobot is a robot that is very flexible, and the support is really great. And combining that with software that makes these robots easy to use and easy to configure, you have a really strong combination for your production setup. I think the most important for a company like a production company with CNC machines is to use those machines to its full capacity. So it's about increasing the capacity in the production. Taking an example from our customer where we're sitting today, they're producing with 1 shift or 2 shifts. But with applying robots, they can also produce at nights, they can produce in the weekends. So they can use their machines to the full potential of the machines. And that's where robots can help here, but also in many other places.
One of those places is right here at LHM, a production facility working with precision CNC machining. Their need for greater capacity met the reality of a limited workforce and tight margins. That's where robots and automation became not just a tool, but a turning point.
My name is Thomas. I am production manager in LHM Group, Leon Hansen Maskinfabrik. Lights out production from LHM is the big goal here, to manufacture 24/7. The challenge we are facing is getting people and higher our capacity in our production. So we have limitation in the amount of orders we can get through our production. So we need to qualify our employees and make capacity through automation and robots.
The turning point came with Dobot. They provided a collaborative robot that matched LHM's need for precision, performance, and adaptability. To bring it to life, they partnered with RiACT, whose software made deployment seamless and easy to use.
So I'm Francesco, I'm the CTO at RiACT. I take care of the more technical part of the business. Dobot is a great match for our software because it's a great robot, precise. It has a very nice design. It's very easy to integrate Dobot into a software system using the native API.
Dobot robots are designed to be smart, but also surprisingly simple. And when combined with user-friendly software from RiACT, they become tools anyone on the factory floor can use.
We typically say that it's so easy that even your boss can do it. If you can use a smartphone, you can also use a robot.
Dobot and RiACT show how automation doesn't have to be complex. With the right tools and the right partners, even the most advanced solutions can feel simple.